Find elements index in Pandas series. I know this is a very basic question, but for some reason I can't find an answer. How can I get the index of certain element of a series in Python Pandas? First occurrence would suffice. i.e., I'd like something like. Certainly, it is possible to define such a method with a loop. But I assume there should be a better way. Is there?
Though I admit that there should be a better way to do that, but this at least avoids iterating and looping through the object and moves it to the C level.
Converting to an index, you can use get_lock. Duplicate handling. Or return a Boolean array if non-contiguous returns. Uses a hash table internally, so fast. As Victor points out, there is a one-time creation overhead to creating an index. It's incurred when you actually do something with the index, e.g. the is_unique.
I'm impressed with all the answers here. This is not a new answer, just an attempt to summarize the timings of all these methods. I considered the case of a series with 25 elements and assumed the general case where the index could contain any values and you want the index value corresponding to the search value, which is towards the end of the series. Here are the speed tests on a 2012 Mac Mini in Python March 9, 10 with Pandas version 1.4.0. Jeff's answer seems to be the fastest, although it doesn't handle duplicates. Correction, sorry, I missed one. Alex Spanger's solution using the list index method is by far the fastest. Update, added Eliadol's answer. Hope this helps. Amazing that such a simple operation requires such convoluted solutions and many are so slow. Over half a millisecond in some cases to find a value in a series of 25. February 18, 2022 update. Updated all the timings with the latest Pandas version and Python 3.9. Even on an older computer, all the timings have significantly reduced, 10 to 70%, compared to the previous tests, version 0.25.3. Plus, added 2 more methods utilizing dictionaries.
This works if you know 7 is there in advance. You can check this with miseries == 7.any. Another approach, very similar to the first answer, that also accounts for multiple 7s, or none, is
Another way to do this, although equally unsatisfying, is returns 3. On time tests using a current dataset I'm working with to consider it random.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.